Scene collection templates in OBS Studio allow you to save, share, and import a set of presentation layouts. They are saved as JSON files. Our team has created an OBS template to help you get started based on the most common needs for teaching. You will find the OBS template at the link on the screen. We will also add this link to the description below. This video will take you through how to import the template. When you click the link for the template, it will open a file in Google Drive. Click the three dots icon at the top right of the screen to download the template to your computer. Create a new folder on your computer and name it OBS Assets. Move the package from your Downloads folder to the OBS Assets folder. Open OBS Studio. Click Scene Collection from the top menu. Select Import from the drop-down menu. Click Add and select your downloaded template from your OBS Assets folder. Select Import. You will see your available scene collections by clicking on Scene Collection at the top left corner of your screen. The names of your collections will appear after the Export option. You will now find various assets in the Scenes and Sources panels. The Scenes panel is where your different layouts will be. For example, window with webcam, window capture, etc. The Sources panel is where your different assets are located. This refers to things like your mic, webcam, screen, etc. As you make changes to customize the collection, we recommend saving a new version. To do this, click on Scene Collection and choose Export. Place your file in your OBS Assets folder with a name you will recognize. Over time, you may choose to create different collections for different situations. For example, one for a large class and one for a seminar-style class.